Of course, winds from the north. We can't park south, so we gotta walk. Worst part of this sport, being on the ground with these things, especially with a full tank. Look at that. That's not good. That's what'll get you hurt. This wind is changing as fast as we can set up. Another stick. Brutal. VTOS going. Plane, look at that, between Eric and I. Whoa, that must be from that plane. The hell is that? Of course, play with the phone and I get bad turbulence. Be an inversion layer too. Yeah, this has got to be an inversion. So we've got an onshore breeze, it looks like, hitting that wind coming from the east that we just took off in. That's what I'm flying in right now. Bumpy. Muddy pit in front of us here. Hey! I really love when the wind picks up like this. You can just hover. I mean, I'm barely moving. I gotta be doing like 5-6 miles an hour. Oh, look who's showing off now. bumpy. Beautiful sunset. Good one. A little fast.